Got a slight problem with the Gerber edge here. I cannot find any videos on YouTube or anywhere else or maintenance manuals for servicing a Gerber original, so I'm going to try and fix this one. I've never even run this machine. I bought it cheap on eBay with a problem. The rubbers inside here, you can see them, have perished. The one's missing this, it's totally perished, and the one there is about to fail. It's not making contact even. Unfortunately, in order to get to this needs to come out. Never having done this before, I don't really know. So I've basically released the panels underneath here, which allow that to come out. Allow that to come out there, like so. Likewise on this side, release those. I've also released screws just underneath here, and in there, and at the sides, and this allows me to reveal the front cover. I've just released the two screws from there. Just need to pop this spring off, and the motor is now released. Okay, down, it's just marked this, so I know it's going back exactly how I want it to. These two bolts here, this is catching just here, didn't notice that, so let's just release that. Wait, that's better. Okay, you can see that there. I need to remove those grub screws. I was struggling. And look back. Now let's have a look what size they are. Very small. Very small. Okay, let's have a look at that. Okay, just got a standard set of O-rings. They look identical. These are cheap O-rings from eBay. I brought them in a box, probably 250 in a box. Cost a few pounds, maybe £4 or £5, $7 delivered. So we're going to try those, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I've messed around a bit, making sure this is correct. The important thing you have to do for lining up is this side freely moves, if you can see that there, to accommodate for the different size and width slightly on that. Okay, now if you've got it on a flat surface and you align this little notch here something in to keep it at that height maybe. Perfect. There we go. This one doesn't move. Okay, so basically I've pushed the old section over till it marries up with this. Got this level, match that with there, and then just knit this tight. Okay, I've noticed something as I've assembled it back together. There's a little sensor there. Zoom in on that. And this little sensor tells it when you're loading material to go back to there, I believe. And when that's in that position there, I'm assuming these should be at the top, which they more or less are for loading. So you load it in the right way. But I made a mark initially of where that should have been when I first took it apart, because I don't know how it worked or how I was going to take it apart. So I'm actually going to loosen these off and realign them. I've managed to get it all realigned again, so it's exactly on the marks which I'd left it on previously. So all the cogs are lined up properly. The tension's right on this, there's no slop in that. More importantly, the way I position things, you could move the shaft just very slightly. So make sure you've got these little whatever they're called, clamps, you know, pushed back. So basically everything on this side is set over here, and this bushing is pushed back. That way, when it's against the bearings, there's no movement in the shaft at all.